Any reason you ran that stop sign right there?
Well, I sat out for like 5 minutes waiting for traffic to go through? You know I got dash cam, right?
That's fine.
Okay.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On the 21st of February, Andy Harville, a resident of Guyton, Georgia, was driving and realized he needed to stop for gas. As he entered the station, he noticed a Guyton Police Department vehicle staged on the side of the road looking for potential speeders. After fueling up, Mr. Harville leaves the gas station, stopping at a stop sign to wait for his turn to enter the lanes of traffic. The man's dashcam footage shows that he stayed stationary at the stop sign for almost a full minute before the traffic was clear and he was able to continue on his route. He then passes the officer he had previously observed and notices the cruiser pulling out behind him, and seconds later, Officer Marcus Parker initiates a traffic stop.
Good morning, I'm Officer Parker with the Guyton Police Department. Any reason you ran that stop sign right there?
What stop sign?
The one right there at Parker's.
Well, I sat out for like 5 minutes waiting for traffic to go through?
You have a driver's license?
I do.
Alright, mind getting it?
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, shoot. I need a debit card, huh?
I don't want that. Just give me a second, okay?
Yeah, no problem.
After fabricating a traffic infraction, the officer claims Mr. Harville's ID, returns to his vehicle, and runs his information.
515 Central 27 through Georgia, ain't ready.
Goes back to a 2015 Toyota Tundra, black in color.
About 4 minutes pass, and Officer Parker returns to Mr. Harville's vehicle.
Alright, here you go, Mr. Harville. Please be more careful at the stop signs, okay?
I got you. Hey, man. You know I got dash cam, right?
That's fine.
Okay.
It's a stop sign right there. And if you have a dash cam, I'll show you running the stop sign. So.
Okay.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
Yep.
Even after being made aware of the dashcam, the officer stands firm on his false accusation against the driver. But the interesting thing about this is that this might not be just another display of law enforcement incompetency. You see, the driver of this vehicle has run for city council and has been a vocal critic of the department and local government. In fact, he had just recently announced that he would be running for mayor in hopes of bringing transparency to the town. But the oddities don't stop there. Officer Marcus Parker had just over a year with the department, as previously he was employed in the next town over for the Rincon Police Department, and while serving as an officer there in January of 2022, just a year after being hired, Officer Parker slammed some shots at a Mexican restaurant and then used a Rincon patrol car to drive home. He was off duty at the time, but lied about the incident several times to his command, resulting in numerous policy violations that was about to end in his termination, until he was allowed to resign and was hired almost immediately after by the Guyton Police Department with glowing recommendations despite his recent trouble with the department. In fact, Guyton never took any probationary measures towards his new employment and allowed him to lateral into the position. This makes it harder to fire a police officer, and when the mayor was asked why Parker was even allowed to work in Guyton in the first place given his history, the mayor claimed that he was punished enough by no longer being allowed to work with the Rincon Police Department. It's not clear whether Officer Parker has been placed on the Brady list, but given his history of untruthfulness and this new interaction, it certainly appears that he should be. Let me know what you think. Should the officer have been allowed to resign and lateral over? Or should his previous actions and this new display of dishonesty bar him from ever working in public service again? Leave your answer in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.